Hello guys, unit Sport Expedition. May customer concern stopping on the road. So we need to scan the computer. What is the main problem of or the main cause of stopping? Okay, it's EcoBoost Sport Expedition 3.5 engine. Okay, you need to diagnose it, auto scan, and after that, okay, they have 3 faults. We are focusing on the stuffing. This is the main problem, the P06 fuel to cranking and P008A low pressure. This is the problem of fuel delivery error. We need to replace the fuel pump and the fuel high pressure pump. Okay, goods.